welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video, and also sharing with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And also, if you're my day one, you guys know what it is, what it do. Welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for the love and the support you guys have been showing me. It really means a lot. Like, it doesn't go unnoticed. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And also, this is my first sit down video, so I thought, I might as well. I know I wanted a different background and a lot of other things that need capital, and at the moment I'm kind of budgeting for something else, and that will come into light. I'm putting it out there in the universe that I will get the table that I want, the chair that I want, the nice background that I want, and yeah, all in God's timing, right? Anyways, so in today's video is about natural hair must have, everything that you must have if you are into natural hair, or if you are transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair, all of that things, or you've been wearing weaves your entire life. Every day is a weave day. You now want to go on a journey of embracing your natural hair. I'm not saying everyone should do that. It's all up to you. If you want to do that, by all means, boo, do that. Embrace your natural hair. But if you are into weave, you can also do that, by all means. You know, I'm not trying to project that to everyone to do, because natural hair is not for everyone. Not everyone has the time for it and all of that stuff. And also, I would like to say a very big thank you for showing me love on my vlogs. You guys, I see that you guys enjoy a lot of vlogs than sit down videos like this, especially tutorials. I even noticed on like big influencer and digital content creators, a lot of makeup videos or makeup tutorials, they're not really watched that well. I think people want something that's tangible, something that they can relate to, and something that is personal. And I feel like vlogs are more personal. They do really show your personality a lot. So I've been doing a lot of vlogs lately, so this was just one of those videos. I thought, let me just do a sit down video, and hopefully you guys are gonna appreciate it. And yes, the big thank you is for all my vlogs that you've been showing me. I have 2 vlogs that have reached 1,000 views, so I'm really grateful for that. Thank you so much, my loves. I feel like I'm talking too much, so let's get into today's video. Okay, all right, so first things first, I started going natural in I think intentionally 2016. That's when I started to going natural, and this is my favorite hairstyle. Nothing too much, just my hair as natural as it is, and it's very natural form, not stretch. I don't really like stretching my hair a lot, but this is my favorite natural hairstyle. So what do you need? Everything that you need. I have a few things that I have here that are gonna help me out with this video. So first things first, you need your natural hair. Secondly, you need the product to accomplish all of that. Make sure that your hair is moisturized and everything. So first, I have a Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioning. It's a repair cream. It's for natural hair. It is amazing for natural hair. It helps mend broken hair, helps protect against split ends, and reduce frizz. Hydrate and moisturize with the shea butter. Most of the products from Cantu, they really are like very firm, and like in their product, like their main ingredients is the shea butter. They are like, that's their core, is the shea butter. And we all know shea butter is also produced here in Africa, I believe in Ghana, and 5 other countries in Africa. But yes, so we have a leave-in conditioner, brilliant for hydrating your hair, And then I also have a Cantu shea butter as well. The main ingredient here is the shea butter. It's very creamy texture. I'll show you. It's very creamier than the leave-in conditioner. It's very nice and creamy. Like, leave-in conditioner is creamy, but it's a little bit runny. This is very consistent. I'll show you the shea butter one. I mean the leave-in conditioner one. So that is the Grow Strong is a strengthening treatment. This helps strengthen fragile strands and protects from heat damage. So if you're gonna like put heat on your hair, maybe like a hair dryer or a straightener, this is very good to first apply this so that you protect your hair from the heat, okay, so that you don't get heat damage. Or once you have damaged your hair, you can use this product that will help you as well in terms of getting your hair back into its healthy and natural form. So that will help you. It's a treatment. You do not rinse it, you just apply it and leave it in there. It helps a lot. I also have the Cantu shea butter tea tree and jojoba oil. This is for your hair and scalp oil. It is amazing. I love it so much. It's so consistent. It also protects anti-breakage, conditions scalp to encourage growth. No drip formula. This is no drip formula. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you what that means, but it basically, the no drip formula is not running oil. As you can see, I don't know what you call that in English, but it's like this. It's not watery or runny. It can be under a lot of heat though. Amazing to seal in the moisture. So it's brilliant. I will take you step by step on how to use those products. And then obviously, if you want your hair to be slicked and you use a maximum hold Cantu shea butter styling gel, this is to help moisture retention. It is with flaxseed and olive oil, which olive oil is amazing for your hair, and tea tree and jojoba oil and black Jamaican oil. Those are amazing oils. I also use this oil. It also has a shea butter. It's actually, I ran out of it, but it's also a hair oil for strengthening your hair. I use that as well. It helps sealing the moisture. What I mean by sealing the moisture is applying what you do when you do a lock method. I've done a video, I will link it somewhere here. But what you do is you apply maybe your hair in a damp hair, or your hair must be damp, or if your hair is not damp like mine, you can use, this is also essential. This is a hydrating mixture. I have plain water in my one. So what you can do here, you can mix water with your leave-in conditioner and add oils, light oil or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil and shake the bottle. But mine is just not water. This is also an essential, especially if you are someone who likes combing your hair every day. I don't do that. So what you do is you put water, or you put your hydrating mixture, which my one is in this bottle. You can also use a hydrating mixture like this. In this hydrating mixture, I have 90% water, and then I have my essential oils, like light oils can be your tea tree oil, jojoba oil, Jamaican black oil, olive oil. You can mix them in here with your leave-in conditioner. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I showed you guys. So you can use the leave-in conditioner with water and your essential oils. It must be light oils because you don't want too much product built up with oils, because like thick oil, like your castor oil, those are very thick oils. So yeah, and then obviously you need this hydrating mixture to mix all of that in it. If you don't have this one, or if you don't like this one works so much better when spraying. It's so much better, you see, it is way better, and you don't really need a lot. So because it sprays so much better, it's an amazing investment. I am so grateful Synovio came up with this. Sorry, I ran out of space while I was talking. So leave-in lock method, you use leave-in conditioner with 90% water, your 2 essential oils, there must be light oil, and then you have your shampoo and your conditioner. I have the Cantu, like I said, Cantu. They are very proud of their shea butter, which is their main ingredient in all of their products. And yeah, so you can use the cleansing cream shampoo, which is amazing. I love because what it helps hair leather remove heavy build up. You don't even have to apply like twice. If you don't know your hair is not that dirty, you can just apply it once and then it will remove all the dirt, all the build up. But if you feel like your hair is very dirty, like you've used like maximum hold a styling gel, then you can use it twice just to make sure that your hair is cleansed properly. It helps protect anti-breakage, great for natural and colored hair. So even if you have colored your hair like in any color, you can also use this. And you have the hydrating cream conditioner, also amazing. I love that their products do not have sulfates, and there is no silicone, there's no parabens or mineral oils in them. So they are very nice and natural ingredients in them, and love it is hydrating, and it's amazing when you wash your hair. You can also use the this to detangle your hair while your hair is still very damp. You can use that to detangle your hair. It is great, it is amazing for your hair, so that you avoid breaking your hair when your hair is dry. Obviously you need a brush. This brush I got from Discam, and this is the Denman brush. I use that to detangle my hair. I also use a normal comb to detangle my hair. You need a small comb as well, especially if you are doing like a style. And also you need this brush for doing your edges, or you don't have to, because I also have the Happy Wash toolbox that I got from Foam Yankee. It came with this amazing towel when I am washing my hair. Essential, you need it. And then it has this brush with big bristles on them, like hands or whatever you call this. Amazing. And then you have this other brush as well. I've used them, you can see there's like hair in them. So you have that to also detangle your hair nicely. When doing a style, you can use this. It has nice and soft bristles, gentle for your hair. And then when washing your hair, because when washing your hair, we always advise you not to use your nails, just use tip of your fingers. And this comes in handy because you just do that and massage it into your scalp and make sure that all the dirt and buildup is gone. And then it also came with this clips that helps when styling your hair. Amazing. I think they're like 4 of them. So it's like this, 4 of this. When sectioning your hair, this comes in very handy. And then I have a scissor when trimming my hair, because it's important also to trim your hair every now and again. And now I have this as well that helps with styling my hair, doing my edges with this one. And also I would advise you to get the Love Kinks satin pillowcases. I have this, I just recently bought this, and yeah, it's very nice, and this is amazing, definitely a must-have as well. I also have a bonnet from Love Kinks as well. Like, I love supporting black business women that are doing their thing out there. So I have the bonnet, and you can also like do the bonnet like this and wear it vice versa, but I love it like this because black is nice. For you can wear this when sleeping, and you can also wear this when you are doing a moisture treatment or any kind of treatment, if you don't have if you're not gonna go under the heat thing. And also I have a Love Kings when I'm sleeping. This is what I use. I use this when I sleep. I actually have another one. I feel like this one is bigger in terms of the width around here. I think it's bigger actually. It's amazing, nice. So it's essential for you to have this as well. So what Love Satin does, the benefits of satin pillowcase helps retain the moisture in your hair and in your skin. So it's good, the pillowcase, when sleeping with that pillowcase. Brilliant. Satin does help retain the moisture in your hair, so it keeps your hair hydrated, or it helps your hair retain moisture even more, like keep the moisture in your hair longer, and it leaves no line on your face. Like, you know, when you're waking up in the morning, you were sleeping in a cotton pillowcase and you have lines on your face or whatever the case is. It reduces the tangle due to minimum friction. You know, when you're sleeping and obviously you're tossing and turning and your hair does that friction where it detangles itself, it also helps in that. Hairstyle stays in place. Hair is shinier and better skin is achieved over time. So that's the benefit of a satin pillowcase and a satin duck and bonnet. I would like to get their hair ties, but I will get that in my next purchase. So these are all my must-have products. I love everything about everything. Like, I love everything that I have. So yeah, if you please comment in the comment section, what products do you use, and are you using a satin pillow? It doesn't have to be Love Kings, it can be anything, but I would love you to support Usnovu Mondliwa and support a black young business woman who is doing her thing out there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, my love. I hope you find it very informative, and also if you have any questions, comment down below any questions you have about natural hair, how to keep it, how to do lock method, everything, basically retaining the moisture in your hair. I would love to answer all of your questions in the comments section. So thank you so much, my love. I really appreciate your love and your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share this video with your friends and your family, and maybe download it and watch it later. You know, I know the struggles out there. We all don't have the data to watch longer videos, but if it's gonna be helpful to your natural hair journey or to your natural hair just as normal, I would love you to download it and watch it maybe later. So yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.